Good evening, sports fans. Now this is more like it. Now we've had the 40 plus league where the old boys play. But this is us. This is us in with the youngsters. 18 plus, 3.5. This is D3 with Chris and I, where somewhat ironically we play a couple of boys in their 60s. So the 18 plus league, not remotely living up to its name, but yeah, I've swapped Keith at the net for Chris at the net, but the script remains the same. I'll set them up. You knock them down. These boys love the net, which proves to be quite problematic for them over the course of the match, because I promise you, if I see you coming in, then it's going over you, and you're unlikely to get many of them back. There's the ad side serve again, causing problems, but Chris bombing it at the net, just a beauty. Take it down the line if you want, but I'll go cross court as well. So yeah, those were really nice shots. Had to stretch for that one. But again, right over and in. The lob, and obviously love a lob. Then the lob pays dividends on many occasions here. All that being said, first set did not go our way. We struggled pretty hard. That was, again, cheeky wee side spin that often catches people out. There's one coming up a little bit later that had probably as much backspin as I've ever put on anything, and it just confused the life out the guy, which is always fun to watch from the other side of the court. It's just slamming another one away. That's a beauty. So yeah, didn't start well. We lost the first set 6-2, so not a huge amount to write home about. But I was honing the lob and using that to good effect. Even finished a point of the net myself, which is, as we know, a rarity. Yeah, boy did Chris a big favour there. There's some backspin on that, which if you don't read it right, that's going to cause you some trouble. But not all the backspin that people are going to encounter in just a little bit. It's a great forehand. That cross-court forehand's coming on really nice. Pushing deep, causing real problems. And that's a great touch. If you can do that, then yeah, you're fine for the 3-5 team. That's the one with the backspin. You're only a foot away and it still confuses you to death, and that's a beauty. Yep, if you want a lob battle, mate, let's do it. Consistent lobbing. I mean, it's not pretty, but in this instance it is effective. That was pretty. Occasionally I have it in me. And again, you're coming forward, just inviting that, I will take it. We did win the second set. I think it was close. I think it was 6-4. Nice when they give me those ones. Even I can't miss those ones. So yeah, 2-6, 6-4. Moira had turned up by this point to cast a disapproving eye over everything that we were doing. And the tie break was particularly interesting. There's another outstanding lob. I'll give myself all the credit in the world for that. The tie break, we'll see. There's one of the ad side serves. We started doing this in the second set. Chris started taking the eye position on the ad side. Helped me get my serve properly structured on that ad side, and there's one that just swings right by the guy in the tie break. We won the tie break 10-8, and that was necessary. to wrap up the team win for the night. We won that one 3-2. But yeah, this at D3 was a whole lot of fun. Movement from Chris there is just an absolute beauty. The energy of the youth, that's what's happening here. Chris not nearly old enough to play with us on the 40 plus. Disgusting youth, we call it. Yeah, I was called off that one. Terrible, terrible idea, but I redeemed myself. This was, I think, at 2-3 or 1-3 in the tie break, so we needed that one. Rather than just let it float out, always looking for content for the highlight reel. That's the one. That's the one. Just do what you want, mate. You're getting none of that back. I think this was us. This was match point. It was 6-4. Was 10-8 in the tie break. Really fun one. Good times.